Today, we are going to learn how to label the three sides in our right triangle. So the first, we need to remember the definition of right triangle. Okay. So to have a right triangle, we need to have a right angle. What is a right angle? A right angle is an angle that measures 90 degrees. Once we have this triangle, we can label our three sides. So the first side that we are going to label is the one that is in front of our 90 degrees angle, our right angle. We call this side hypotenuse. Remember, the hypotenuse in a right triangle is the longest side on it. Okay? Now, these other two are gonna be called leg and leg. But we are not done just with that. We need to know the exact name of each leg to be able to use the three trigonometric functions. So before we can say who is who, we need to say which one is our acute angle of reference. It could be this one or it could be that one. So in this case, we are going to choose this one as alpha, our angle, our acute angle of reference. That means the side, the leg that is in front of that angle is going to be the opposite leg. Then the one that we have left, in this case here in the bottom, is the adjacent leg. So, again, we need to have a 90 degrees angle. In front of that 90 degrees angle, we are going to find the hypotenuse. After that, we need to figure out who is our angle of reference, our acute angle of reference. The side that is in front of that acute angle of reference will be our opposite leg. The one that we have left, in this case the bottom one, the horizontal one, is our adjacent leg. What happens if we switch our acute angle of reference? So now let's go to label this as beta, as our acute angle of reference. So the rule is gonna be the same, meaning what? Meaning that now, that one that is in front, the bottom one, is the opposite leg. And the one that we have left, in this case the vertical one, will be the adjacent leg. So now, to complete your corner notes, you need to write the essential questions that we answer in here. Meaning what? What is a right triangle? You should be able to answer that with your notes. What's a right triangle? A right triangle is a triangle with an right angle. Another question, how do we label? Do we label the three or the sides in our right triangle? So again, the one that is in front of the 90 degrees will be the hypotenuse. Then the one that is in front of our angle of reference, our acute angle of reference, will be the opposite leg. The one that we have left is the adjacent leg. And finally, you need also to complete your summary here on the bottom. What we can write in here, we could write the definition of any of these terms that we learned in here. Right angle, 90 degrees angle. Hypotenuse, the longest or largest side in our right triangle. Okay, we could also define maybe adjacent or opposite. Right, so that's it for now.